Alright guys, so we're going to make this rack of ribs boneless. I had spares, cut it down to the St. Louis, got a pile over there, trimmed it down, and then I want to do this, kind of cut a little too far there, but I want to go along the bone and cut along the bone, just like this. You want to go kind of deep, you want to, because the idea is going to be, when these cook out, you can just grab the bone and pull it right out. And then we're going to make I'm going to try to make a sandwich out of it. Kind of like a McRib style. But you just go right along the bone on both sides. I've already peeled the membrane off. So, and I got the Weber kettle already up to temp. Just got some leftover charcoal in there, and some cherry wood, and that's that, bub. So we'll do this. You see your bones get smaller towards the end. Okay. Now we're going to season it up. I'm going to use the Shed Rib Attack. Going through the cupboard and found it and said, oh, I haven't used this in a long time. You guys know I normally make my own. This should be really good for our sandwich. Flip it over. All right. I smell the chili powder in this. Got chili powder in it? Yep. Chili pepper, paprika, yep. I can smell it. Alright guys, out here at the kettle. I've had the lid off for a minute, that's why it's flaring up, but grill grate's running about 250. We're gonna set this rack right here. I'm running 2 racks today because I got another cook for somebody else. But the one with the toothpick is our other ribs. Or is our ribs that we're videoing. So let's just set those right here. And we'll be back. So these are off the smoker. You can kind of see how this is what I'm talking about, pulling them right out. Had them on the kettle, I don't know, about 4.5 hours. 3.5 hours, then I wrapped them. But you see how these are just pulling right out. Right along my cut marks. My toothpick, that's how I knew which ones were which. Got any stragglers like that? Most parts are coming out pretty clean. So that's that, bub. Now you flip this over and you have a gorgeous looking rack of ribs. Unbeknownst, they are boneless. All right, let's just cut into one, just so you guys can see you saw it. I mean, it tears right at the bone where the bone was. Looks pretty juicy. Mm. Yep. All right, man. That's Smoking Bears. You guys are awesome. Remember, the family barbecues together, cooks together, pretty much does anything together, stays together. This is Boneless Ribs.